If you are past your full retirement age, so let's say you're 70, but you could do this anytime past your full retirement age. If you don't know what that is, it is not 65. Get my free Social Security and Medicare cheat sheet. The link is in the bio, or you can go to our website and get the cheat sheet to find out when your full retirement age is. So for me, my full retirement age will be 67. Anybody born in 1960 or thereafter will be 67. So if I wait till 70 to max out my Social Security, I can get 124% versus drawing out my full retirement age, 67, where I'd get 100%. So I get a lot more money. No, I'm not a fan of this, but just stick with me for the scenario. So at 70 and I go to apply, they say, hey, you can either apply right now or we can give you the last 6 months in one lump sum check. So that'd be a big sum of money, right? But we will start your Social Security 6 months retroactive. So going forward, that means that I'll get about 4% less than if I had started my Social Security at 70. So if I start at 70, I just start. They just start giving me my check. But if I take the lump sum benefit, I get 6 months of checks, right? So if I was going to get $2,000 a month, then I get $12,000 check. And that can be attractive to many people that need a lot of money right now. Now, this was an easy scenario at 70, but you can do it anytime after your full retirement age. You can't go back past your full retirement age. So that's something you can talk to the Social Security Administration about. Again, why would I do that? I waited all this time till 70 so I could max it out. Why would I now back it up 6 months? What if I get a bad diagnosis, right? What if I get a bad diagnosis and I don't feel like I'm going to live a long time? I could use a 6-month check right now, right? Or things are changing in the government or your life, you might need it. This is definitely not advised for everybody. My goal is not to give you advice. My goal is to tell you what's going on, try to explain it in simple terms, and help you continue to do research on your own. And many times you will be educating the Social Security office when you go in there to talk to them because they don't know all these rules. They have like 30,000 rules. So yeah, they might get confused too. So if you are learning something on my channel, all I ask is that you hit the follow, hit the subscribe button, whatever it is. And I promise I'll keep getting you ready for retirement.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.